I'm going to my WhatsApp app and opening my friend's profile, tapping on my friend's profile photo at the top, tapping on the profile photo again. And now if I try to capture a screenshot of this profile photo, as you can see, this app doesn't allow screenshots. So we can't directly take a screenshots of someone WhatsApp profile picture from WhatsApp application. Now I'll show you the exact way to take a screenshot of someone DP. All you have to need, you have to go to another device. So you can use your different phone. So in different phone, you have to open the Google Chrome browser. In Google Chrome browser, type here web.whatsapp.com. So open web.whatsapp.com. Now we have to enable desktop site. So tap this three dot at the bottom right. And here, enable desktop site. Tap on continue to WhatsApp web. And here you will get a QR code. Now go to your primary phone and go to the WhatsApp app. And now tap this three dot at the top right. And tap on linked devices. Tap on link a device. Verify your phone lock and scan this QR code. And then your WhatsApp will logged into this web.whatsapp.com. In here, you have to go to the chat again. So open the chat. And from the chat, tap on the profile photo here. And now tap on the profile photo once more. And we can see the profile photo preview. Now go ahead and take a screenshot. And tap the screenshot to crop. And you can just crop the screenshot just like this. Then save the screenshot. Now go back to your gallery. And now here you will find the WhatsApp profile photo. So that's how we can actually take a screenshot of someone WhatsApp profile.